welcome to the video. I just want to have a quick chat about the new Emax RSII 2206 2700 kV. I just tested them, flown them for the first time, and I'm really amazed by these motors. They are just awesome. So check out this beautiful motor. Aside from the beautiful shape of this motor and the color, it just rips in the air. It's crazy. The response is just amazing. If you give it some throttle input, the response is just immediately. They spin the props up very fast. I'm rocking here the Gemfan Hulkies 50-55. They are not the heaviest prop, but not the lightest also, so I think it's a very good prop to test the response time of this motor. And yeah, they have very good power, and the top end is really amp hungry, as you can imagine, with 2700 kV. So I lowered my throttle to 80%, and this really helps with keeping the amps manageable for the batteries. So my batteries come down pretty warm, but they are not puffed, so yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I was a bit scary that 2700 kV might be too much and puff my batteries, but everything is fine. Yeah. I can't speak about the durability of the motor because, yeah, I just ripped about 8 packs until now. I had quite some crashes, but as you can imagine, on the grass there's not happening too much. I just crashed into gates, and yeah, all motors run smooth until now, so I'm very happy with that too. Yeah, the magnets feel super strong. I hope you can see it. The air gap is really small. Yeah, you can see it, right, I guess. So I guess this helps with producing good power. And yeah, what can I say more? I think that's it. That's my first impression of the Emax RSII 2206. I'm not a fan of 2306 motors, just too heavy for my liking, so I like the 2206 data size better. And yeah, I can highly recommend picking the 2700 kV version if you lower your throttle, otherwise you will puff your lipos and kill them very soon. So yeah, if you have any questions about my setup or about these motors, just put them in the comments. Subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing. And now I will rip some GoPro packs. Yeah, this will probably kill a lipo, but I don't care. I want to have some nice HD racing footage. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.